It's so nice to unbox a nice new Intel. Well, let's see how this goes. So basically, I've been moving some stuff around with my computers, and I had a free socket 1151 board. So rather than just let it sit around, I figured, we should get ourselves a Celeron. Yeah, it's yeah, this should be interesting. Let's get building. So I was just getting all the stuff out of the box, well, the Celeron processor anyway, which is here. Look at it, adorable. And I noticed that on the little information booklet they give you, they don't actually write Celeron on the sticker. It just says Intel inside. So that's good. If you can afford a Celeron but don't want anyone to know what you got, buy a Celeron. Yeah. And here it is for you processor aficionados out there. That is a Celeron G3900 if it's going to focus. 2.8 GHz dual core, pure Skylake power. Of course, I am paying very careful attention to the cable management when building this machine, and as you should always be aware, when mounting your SSD, be sure to secure it securely to the case. Like so. Of course, when putting together any junky random part machine, I am paying very careful attention to our cable management here, and as everyone should know, it's extremely important to secure your SSD properly to the case. Okay, it's now time for the worst part of any PC build. The initial button press. Will she boot? Okay, well, we have power. We have fan, that's for sure. Will we get any video? It sure is thinking about it. Hey! Yes. And of course, we're not going to have any operating system installed, but we should have 8 GB of RAM, good. And a Torch SE SSD. New CPU installed. Make sure that's being detected correctly. And there you have it. It's picked up our Celeron. Both the cores, both 6 of memory. Cool. Right. Where did I leave my Windows 10 installation CD? Okay, so we are done. PC is built. It seems to be running just fine. And there, if you're really interested, you can see the specs. There is, of course, only one final thing we need to do, which is change the host name. Which, of course, on a machine like this, should be no less than Celery. Yes. Okay, wonderful. We'll let this thing restart. All the drivers are now installed. We're running on the built-in HD 510 graphics from the Celeron. So yes, I shall load up some games on Steam, load up some random software and see how it performs. Really? How well does a Skylake Celeron perform in day-to-day tasks? So far, pretty good. In fact, hang on, you can watch the boot here now actually. There you go, that's all it takes. Anyway, back in the mo.